What's up, guys? Back again with my 2014 Silverado. I am installing these Switchback turn signals. Top and bottom for both sides. So when they're just on, they'll shine white, and then when you turn your blinker on, it'll be that amber color. So yeah, got two more here for the other side. Let's do a comparison when I get one side in. Alright, so I got passenger side in. I got the top turn signal on the driver's side in, and you'll be able to tell the difference here in a second. So there's the difference. The white bulb. It'll be white when obviously it'll still be amber because of the lens is still in there. If you want to take your headlight all apart and get that amber lens out of there, it'll just shine white, the parking lights. But yeah, looks pretty good. I'll finish up this one and let you guys know what it looks like. Alright guys, just finished up. So got 6K headlights, low and high beams. Then we got the Switchback top and bottom turn signals. Super bright, way better than stock. Very happy. I'll be doing another video soon. I got fog lights coming. That'll be my next upgrade. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.